Morning, my fellow brotherhood streaks. Look at that, look at beautiful. Ain't that absolutely beautiful? This morning, second day in, waking up early morning is, you know, the thing. It's gonna change my life for the better. I really do feel like it's an opportunity for me to reflect on anything that I do, what I'm chasing for, the goals, the dreams. I always have in the back of my mind, what if? I remember watching a clip of David Goggins. Let's just say that I woke up whatever time I wanted, never stuck to a routine, just carried on with my life. Yeah, just doing videos. Yeah, I felt like doing it on a Sunday, or yeah, on a Wednesday. That moment comes, it never happened. But what if every single day made the best quality content, always improving in life in every aspect, sticking to a daily schedule? And yes, it's gonna be hard. Yes, I'm gonna make big sacrifices. What if it all paid off? I'm probably gonna look back at this video thinking that, yo, I must be absolutely out of my mind to be thinking that. Being the second day, I feel proper energetic right now. The sun is rising. I was gonna do a lot more like working between 5 AM and now. Didn't want to record right now when it's proper dark. In the space of like 15-20 minutes, it was like proper dark out here. I could watch the sun rise right now. It's rising like by the seconds in a minute. There's so much appreciation. It's the little things that count. I call these the daily repetitions. If I'm putting in the work and I'm making the videos on a daily basis, it's like another rep. Every rep you do in the gym with consistency, you're going to see results. And between me and you, like, I am seeing crazy results so far in terms of like myself, the way I'm viewing everything. YouTube analytics before it was like minus percentage because obviously I didn't post for many months. Now it's like 1000% in every aspect. It just comes to show like there's no point stopping out, there's no point falling off. No, what if like if I did put all my efforts into this? It just comes to show that I wasn't doing this before. What else is left in the tank? What more can I do? It kind of like makes you think that, oh, there's always room for improvement, even more to learn, a lot more skill, a lot more knowledge. This morning I did want to speak about the things that have been happening in the Middle East and stuff. I don't know if it's real or fake, but I think that's one of the true beauties behind like concentrating on your dream and your goals and your work, because information that we've been told all around the net and on the phone, like first thing like I used to do and what people do nowadays is the amount of views and exposure that the news get on something that happens in the Middle East, and oh no, everyone's panicking, what's gonna happen to the market? Oh no, are we back in this phase again? Like I said, it can really affect you, like your mind, your positivity. You might get worried again. You're going to work thinking about that. Everyone's talking about that. You're getting fed information. Like I said, it might be real, it might not be real. Concentrating on like your faith and your soul and doing what you love and what you're passionate about, you know, nothing will affect it. And at the end of the day, you're putting your faith in the Lord and you're working towards yourself. And when you don't hear all that information, you know, you close that book. And since I've been doing it, honestly, it's changed my life for the better. In today's morning video, it's just concentrating on our dream and goals and being consistent to believing to what if it all pays off. Not saying 10k steps is like a rule, but just to wake up in the morning and go for a walk, scientifically, like, it helps so much with your health. It helps so much regulate your body, your mind, and it's good for your soul. I mean, if the science says like it's good for you, just do it, innit? Making these daily routines is gonna change the way life is. I'm gonna go somewhere, right, that's gonna like show a nice view. People are absolutely driving crazy right now. That's another thing about the morning time. So let today be a day of making a very productive day, because being very productive, you look back at the end of the day thinking like, wow, I've done really well. I'm gonna go again. Let's run it up. Driving this car, it's only been a couple of weeks right now. This SKODA has been absolutely phenomenal in every way. I mean, the last video I didn't expect to get that many views. I didn't even like drive the car that fast. It was just talking about doom scrolling on the phone. Yeah man, I've had a lot of positive feedback from it, so it seems like we're on the right lines. I feel like it's really gonna help. And most importantly, like making this content is to give people hear something fresh instead of like the fast-paced world. Just appreciate the world better. Do you not think that is absolutely beautiful? That sunrise right there, look at that. Is that, I don't know whether you call that a skyline. You don't understand skyline. Wow, that is the city. Look at the sun. Look at that sun. The early bird catches the worm. If you got your goals set up in place and you want to crush the day ahead, Brotherhood Sticks channel is not just a channel where we just like drive our cars fast. It's also a chance for us achieving our goal. That is such a nice E. I used to have one of those. Such a sick car. Let's get to work. Let's smash the day, and I'll see you guys next couple of hours. So if you're new to this, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We'll call this the Hood Stick Morning Club. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out.